Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how we can use the Facebook application as a complete beginner in this short 16 minutes video. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one. And without any further ado, let us start with the short tutorial. Before we start with the video, if you don't know what Facebook is, then Facebook is a website or an application or a social media which allows users who sign up for free profiles to connect with friends, work colleagues or people they don't know online. It also allows users to share pictures, music videos and articles as well as their own thoughts and opinions with however many people as they like. So the first thing we want to do is to simply make sure that we have actually downloaded and installed the Facebook application to our device. If you have not yet downloaded Facebook, then what you want to do is you want to simply open your App Store depending on whether you're using iPhone or Android device. If you are using Android, then you want to open your Google Play Store, and if you are using iOS, then you want to open the App Store. Now once you do that, on the top of the screen you will be able to see the search box. Simply tap on the search box and type in Facebook. Once you type in Facebook, you can see the first application which comes up is called Facebook by Meta platform. Now what you want to do is simply tap on the green install button for Android users to download and tap on the cloud-like icon for iOS users and verify it using your Apple ID password. Once we have downloaded the Facebook application to our device, the next thing we are going to is the login or the sign up process of Facebook. So what we want to do is simply tap on Facebook right over here. By the way, if you already do have an account, then you can simply enter your phone number and the password and then tap on login right over here in this blue button. But if you don't have an account, then you can simply tap on create new Facebook account at the bottom at the green color. Once you tap on create new Facebook account, you can simply see join Facebook will help you to create a new account in a few easy steps. You can simply tap on next and then enter and follow all of the details accordingly, and you will be able to create a Facebook account without any difficulty. But for those who already do have an account, at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see an option called already have an account, and simply tap on it. Go ahead and log into your account first. So once you log into your Facebook account, wait for the application to load up, and as you can see, this is how the home interface of the application of Facebook looks like. Right over here you want to simply allow all of the permissions whichever the Facebook application requires at first. So in your case, your account may not look like this because it could be new as well, but you already have a few friends and you will be able to see their feed and so on. The first thing we are going to learn is how to add or upload or change our profile picture. So to do that, on the top left hand side of the screen you will be able to see your profile icon. You can simply tap on the profile icon right over here and it will take you to your timeline or your profile page. Once you do that, under your profile picture you will be able to see a camera icon. You can simply tap on the camera icon and you can select a profile picture from the gallery right over here. And once you select your picture, on the top right hand side of the screen you will be able to see the save button, and you can go ahead and change the profile picture in this way. And if you want to change the cover photo, which is your background of your timeline, then you want to simply tap on your profile picture, profile photo, and at the right hand side you will be able to see the camera icon, and then you can see upload photo right over here, and then you can go ahead and select a new profile cover for your Facebook account. So in this way you can really easily change your profile picture or upload your new cover photo on your Facebook right over there. The next thing we are going to learn is how you can edit this about section right over here. As you can see, I have lots of about section and information about myself. So if you want to edit this, on the top right hand side you will be able to see the edit profile button. You want to simply tap on edit profile button, and here you will be able to select all of your details such as your career details, your past portfolio and so on. You can enter your other social medias, you can also enter your hobbies, you can enter your social media links and so on. Once you do that, the changes will be automatically saved on your profile. So once we have learned how to upload our profile picture as well as edit our about section, the next thing we are going to learn is how to send and accept friend requests. So what we want to do is on the top right hand side of the screen you will be able to see the search button. You want to simply tap on the search button and search for any of the profile whom you wish to send a friend request to. For example, let's say I want to send a friend request to any random strangers right over here. For example, this person is already in my friend list, that is why you are seeing it, but if not, then you will be able to see an add friend button right over here. Let me click on any of the profile right over here, and as you can see on the left hand side you will be able to see the add friend button. So this is how you can send a friend request. Now to accept your friend request, you will actually get notified on your page. If you have not yet gotten notified of the friend request, then you want to simply tap on your profile picture and then go ahead and tap on find friends at your profile. Then here you will see all of the friend requests which you have received from people and strangers on your account. So if you want to accept the friend request, you can simply tap on the confirm button, or if not, then you will be able to see the delete button in order to delete the friend request, and they will be able to send you friend request again. So in this way you can add or send or accept friend requests on Facebook. The next thing, very important, is that we are going to learn how to chat on Facebook. For that, we will have to download the external application which is called Facebook Messenger. To do that, on the top right hand side you will be able to see the message icon. Simply tap on the message icon right over here, and if you already have Messenger installed, then it will ask you to continue as your Facebook page or so on. Now if you want to chat with a particular friend, you want to simply tap on their friend list right over here. Once you do that, at the bottom you will be able to send a message to them or to their profile. Now if you want to send a picture to them, then you can simply tap on this photo icon right on the left hand side, and you can allow the permissions to the Messenger app and then go ahead and send a photo or video to this person. This way you can chat with this person. Now if you want to call this person, then on the top right hand side you will be able to see the two icons. With the video camera icon, then you will be able to Facecam or video call this person, and the other icon is for the simple calling, such as you can see the telephone or the normal phone icon. So in this way you can actually easily really chat on Facebook as well. For that, you will have to download the Facebook external application. The next thing we are going to learn is in our Facebook timeline is how we can add posts, status, or photos or videos. You just simply go back to your timeline page right over here, and you want to scroll down until you find the option called post right over here. Here you can see what you want to post, whether you want to post a status right over here, then you can simply type in anything and post a status, or you can also choose to add a photo right over here. You can add a photo or video from the gallery section of your mobile device. Once you upload your photos and all, you can simply go ahead and save them and then add a photo or video or a caption in this way on your Facebook page. The next thing we are going to learn is how you can add a Facebook story. So as you can see in my page right over here, these are some of the Facebook stories which my friends have added. Now Facebook stories are simply a little show off of what your day is like. So in order to add a Facebook story to your story as well, what you want to do is you can simply tap on a profile which says create story right over here. Once you tap on create story, you can choose to upload a photo or video from a gallery, or you can also go ahead and choose a music or green screen and so on, or you can also take a selfie right from here. And once you do that, you can customize all of the text and so on in order to create a story and upload them on Facebook. The Facebook story is also going to be visible on the Messenger application. So once we have learned how to upload, edit, send friend requests, send messages, and edit our profile picture and add a Facebook story, the next thing we are going to learn is how we can like, share, and comment on the Facebook page. So example, this is the Facebook home feed right over here, and here you are going to see multiple options right over here. So let's say I want to comment or react to this post, then here on the left hand side you will be able to see the like button. If you simply tap on like, then it is going to give one single like, but if you want to add other reactions, then you can simply long press on it, and then here you will be able to see multiple reactions, whether you want to send a heart icon or a care icon or a laughing emoji for a joke or a surprise icon and so on. Once you do that, you will have successfully sent your reaction to this post. Now if you want to comment on this post, in here you will be able to see a button called comment, or also called write a comment. You can simply enter or tap on write a comment and go ahead and enter your comment over here. Once you do that, on the right hand side you will be able to see the blue arrow icon, and then in this way you can really easily comment as well. And if you want to share this post to your timeline or to someone else's profile or to a messenger, on the right hand side you will be able to see the share button. Simply tap on the share button right over here, and it will ask you where you want to share, whether you want to share to your story or share to a page story, or send in messenger or share to a group or share to a page. So in this way you can like, share, as well as comment on a particular post on Facebook. The next thing we are going to learn is how you can follow a Facebook page or a group. Now it's the same as searching for a friend. Once you do that, on the top right hand side you'll be able to see the search button. You want to go ahead and simply tap on any of the page which you want to over here. Once you do that, you will be able to see the page, and you can simply tap on the page. Now if you want to follow this page right over here, you can simply tap on the like button on the right hand side of the screen, and you will be automatically followed to this page. So in this way you can really easily like and follow pages on Facebook as well, similarly for the group section as well. The next thing we are going to learn is how you can shop in the Facebook application from the Facebook Marketplace section, or how you can sell your own products as well. To do that, on the top right hand side on the third icon you can see this home little icon. You can simply tap on this icon right over here, and here you will be able to browse many products which the people has posted on their Facebook Marketplace profile. So if you want to sell as well, then on the top left hand side you will be able to see the sell button. You can simply tap on the sell button and you can choose to see what kind of items you want to sell, whether you want to sell a single item, whether you want to sell a place of store. You can add all of the descriptions and as well as the price range accordingly, and you will be able to successfully sell on Facebook Marketplace. For example, if I want to show you some of the listings which I have placed on the marketplace, then right over here I'm going to show you that I have also sold some of the products in Facebook Marketplace this easy way. As you can see, I have listed some of the products right over here. In this way, other people will be able to browse it and they will be able to call me or send me a message for this particular product. So once we have done that, the next thing we are going to learn is one of the really cool features nowadays which has come up in Facebook. Is called a Facebook Watch. You can actually watch videos on Facebook for absolutely free. So on the top of the screen you'll be able to see the watch or the TV icon or the television icon. You can simply tap on the television icon right over here. Once you tap on the television icon here, you'll be able to see multiple photos and videos which the creators and pages has posted on Facebook, and you can simply watch them if you want or not, and you can like, share and comment on these videos as well. Once we have learned how to watch videos on Facebook as well, the next thing we are going to learn is the feature of Facebook itself, which is called Facebook notifications. So as you can see on the top right hand side, you will be able to see this little notification icon or the bell icon. You can simply tap on this bell icon and this is the notification panel of your Facebook page, where you will mostly get notified of all the posts and whatsoever comments and everything whichever your friends or friends of whoever you have followed on the Facebook profile. And as you can see here, I have received all of the notifications from the Facebook application or from my friends who have listed new listings, new posts, new comments and so on. So we have learned some of the most basic features. Now I'm going to show you one more feature, which is that if you forget your password, then maybe you want to change your password or you want to make your account more secure. To do that, on the top right hand side you'll be able to see the three bars right over here. Simply tap on the three bars. Once you tap on the three bars, you want to scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, you want to go ahead and tap on the settings button again. So as you go to settings, on the top of the screen you'll be able to see at the second option called password and security. You want to simply tap on password and security right over here. Now as you can see, if you want to change your password, then on the bottom of the screen you'll be able to see an option called login change password. So you can simply tap on the change password button right over here. You can enter your correct password and then retype your new password and then go ahead and update your password. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can turn on the two-factor authentication. Now two-factor authentication is just a double-step verification before anybody else tries to log into your account. For example, if you turn on two-factor authentication, whenever you try to log into your Facebook account, it will send a code to an email or a phone number which you have chosen on your Facebook account. To do that, again, we want to go to password and security as well. You want to scroll down and here you can see the option called two-factor authentication. You can simply tap on use two-factor authentication button right over here. Once you do that, you can see, as in my case, I have already turned on two-factor authentication. Whenever I try to log in, it will send a message to my security number over here and it will send a code over there. If I enter the code correctly, then only I will be able to log into my account. So these were some of the most basic usage and functions of the Facebook application. Now I'm going to describe you some of the most hidden features on the Facebook application. The first hidden feature is that it's really cool and simple. It is to actually unfollow people without actually unfriending them. For example, if I go to my home friends and select any of the friends from my list, let's say this is the person who is in my friend list right over here. As you can see on the left hand side, he's actually currently in my friend list. What happens is that when a person is your friend, you will get notified of all their posts and so on, but maybe you don't want to receive those posts, but at the same time you also don't want to unfriend that person. In that case, you can simply choose to unfollow that person by tapping on this friend icon right over here. Once you tap on the friend icon here at the top of the screen in the pop-up menu, you will have enabled an option called Unfollow. You want to simply tap on Unfollow right over here and you will still remain friends, but you will not be able to see his or her post until you choose to follow him again right over here. So this is the first Facebook hidden trick which you can really use for your benefit. The other thing which I'm going to show you is to actually see wherever you are logged in on your Facebook account, or in short, the login activity of your Facebook. So to do that, on the top right hand side here, you want to go ahead and tap on the menu icon. Again, once you tap on the menu icon, go to settings again. Once you see at the bottom of the screen, again we want to go to password and security, and here you'll be able to see the option called where you are currently logged in. So what you want to do is simply tap on the see all button on the right hand side. Once you do that, it will show you from where you were logged in the previous days and where you are currently logged in as well. So as you can see, if you want to remove some of the devices on the right hand side, you will be able to see the three little dots. You can simply tap on the three little dots and you can simply tap on log out from that device as well. So this is also one of the really important feature to actually protect your account. The next thing which I'm going to show you is that you can actually play games on Facebook as well. It's really one of the really hidden tricks and tips of Facebook. So what you want to do is simply tap on the three navigation menu on the top right hand side and make sure you're on the settings page. Once you do that and scroll down at the bottom on the right hand side, you will be able to see an option called gaming. You can simply tap on gaming and you can choose to play whichever games you want, such as chess, Ludo, or so on, with your friends, such as Golden Boot and so many games in the section as well. So in this way, you can really easily play games on Facebook as well. We have discussed some of the most important features and including the hidden features as well of Facebook. Now the final feature which I'm going to show you is actually maybe you have decided that you don't want to use Facebook anymore, then maybe you want to deactivate or delete your account. Then again, you want to simply scroll down and then go ahead and tap on settings. Once we go to settings, you want to simply go to personal and account information on the top of the screen. Once you go to personal and account information, at the bottom option you will find an option called account ownership and control. You want to simply tap on account ownership and control right at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, you can see deactivation and deletion. So you want to simply tap on deactivation and deletion right over here. Once you tap on deactivate or deletion, you can choose to either temporarily disable your Facebook account and then come back anytime, or you can also choose to permanently delete your account at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you choose this option carefully, because once you delete your account, there is actually no any way to revert it back. But if you want to stay away from Facebook for a while, then simply the deactivation account is a really simple process and the way to go. So in this way, you can really easily learn how to use the Facebook application on a device. We hope we have discussed all of the important features for the beginners, and you can learn how to use and carry out some of the most basic functions on the Facebook application. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions or queries regarding this, then simply make sure to leave them down under the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.